You know that feeling when you find a spot so unexpectedly perfect? You wonder why nobody told you about it sooner? Well, I just discovered Manchester's best kept secret. The Golf View Hotel, located in Mandeville, Manchester, is not trying to be some flashy all inclusive resort, and that's exactly why it works. This three-story gem sits right in the heart of Mandeville, and from the moment you walk into that professionally designed lobby, you realize this place has something special going on. Now, quick heads up, there are no elevators here, so if you've got heavy luggage or mobility concerns, just request a ground floor room when you book. But honestly, those stairs are a small trade-off for what you're about to experience. My room was modern, cozy, and comfortable. There's a desk with amazing lighting, perfect if you need to catch up on work or plan your next adventure. And the room was so naturally cool, even in the summer heat. I barely touched the AC. The breeze just flows through like nature's own air conditioning. If you like the tour of this Mandeville hidden gem, go ahead and gently tap that like button. It helps us uncover more amazing spots like this for you. Now let me tell you about the courtyard situation. They've got this beautiful pool area that's absolutely perfect for unwinding after exploring the town. They even have a gazebo outside, perfect for birthday celebrations or just chilling with family. They've also got a restaurant, a lounge called Latitude, a gym, even a spa. It's like they thought of every single thing you might need. Here's the good part. Golf View is within walking distance to tons of local spots to eat and shop. You're not stuck on some isolated resort property. You can actually experience real Mandeville life, explore the town, and still come back to comfort and quality. They've been doing this since 1998, with 75 rooms and over 2,000 square feet of conference space. It's known as one of the largest conference facilities on the South Coast. But don't let that fool you. This isn't just for business travelers. It's got that home away from home energy that just hits different. So if you're planning a trip to Jamaica and want to experience Mandeville, Golf View needs to be on your list. This will be your perfect home base for exploring everything the parish has to offer. Alright, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this look at Golf View Hotel, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss our next adventure.